We are all here for one reason only: to remember who we really are, to reunite and align with our authenticity. This is where your attention needs to be. When you're focused on the real you, you automatically align with your authenticity and connects you to the abundance of all things that already exist and is simply waiting for you to tap in and direct what you desire into your everyday world. The real you has always and still exists. It has simply been overlaid with false beliefs resulting from adverse experiences and constricted by stagnant emotions. These memories and feelings are embedded in your subconscious, and whether you believe it or not, they are in control of what you do or do not get, regardless of all your good intentions to imagine and affirm anything wonderful into your life. You have always been a magnificent masterpiece, who from the very beginning has been covered in one veil of illusion after another. It's like you are an amazing, wondrous creation by the greatest artist in the world, and someone came along and carelessly threw a sheet over you. Then others continue to pile more covers until you forget how incredible you are, because you are invisible to all, including and especially yourself. The source of all our problems, pain, and lack is the first illusory veil that shrouded your authenticity, the illusion of separation. And once that illusion was embedded in your subconscious cells, it created its companion culprits, adverse memories, and toxic emotions. These culprits keep you cycling in a lower vibration that continually attracts more of what you do not want. In the Life Mastery series, we are going to uproot the cause and lift the original illusory veil that keeps you hidden from yourself and misaligned with abundance. And we are going to kick out the culprits that have interfered with the manifestation of all you desire. Doesn't matter whether your dreams revolve around love, wealth, or health. We are going to focus our attention on the guidance that will effortlessly awaken, acknowledge, accept, release, repair, restore, align, and activate the real you. We're going to do this by simply watching and listening to 8 empowering audio videos created with high-frequency tones, moving color, and other abstract and relative images that are specifically designed to shift your subconscious mind from attracting that vicious cycle of lack to aligning both in thought and feeling with your conscious desires and dreams of abundance. Within this series, you will also realize your divine gifts and talents, and then remember how to joyfully express and expand them through the higher frequency of love by joyfully sharing them to help awaken and uplift ourselves and the world at large.